going to be making you a stirred cocktail. It's a classic. It's actually a twist on a martini. It's called the Gibson. It's the same as a martini, apart from instead of an olive or a twist, we're going to give it cocktail onions. I'm going to make it in our coffee container here. I'll talk you through everything. We're going to start off with our mixing glass, and today I've got coffee French press. Now in this, it's a very strong drink, so the measurements are, this is going to be a double shot, so that's 50 mils. I'm going to put a little bit more in, which will make it 60 mils. Now that's a gin. Now in a martini, and also the Gibson, is dry vermouth. So dry vermouth is what you call a fortified wine. It has a wine base, and then it has other ingredients which have been steeped in it for a while. Many people keep this out of the refrigerator because they think, like a spirit, it will last forever, but because it has that wine base, it does actually go off. So if you have a bottle of this and it's just opened, put it in the fridge because that's where it belongs. So as you can hear, that's a new bottle. Now if I'm going to put an ingredient in, it's nice to at least taste it. So I'm going to put 20 mils of our dry vermouth. So, just chill that down. I'm going to add all the ice I have in here. And we're going to stir it with our bar spoon. So the idea of stirring the drink is to not only chill it, because you want it to be cold when you drink it, but you're also diluting it because the ingredients that are in it are strong. So my gin here, it's 43%, and just drinking 43% gin is rather strong. So we want to add a little bit of dilution to that. All right, so I think that should do it. So what I have my cocktail glass in the freezer. There we go, lovely. And to strain that out, I'm going to use my cocktail strainer. There we go. Look at that nice consistency. There we go. Looks like just the right amount. So, to add to that, it's going to be one too many. I'm going to add 2 cocktail onions in there like that, and that makes our gin Gibson, which is garnished with the 2 cocktail onions. I can't wait to give this a try. You have a go. Cheers.